In this activity, you will learn more about the input component and how to create values in BoomiFlow. Now, within the BoomiFlow platform, we can double-click on the Employee App page or click on the tab for the Employee App page to open it again. I'm just going to double-click on it here, and you'll see this Employee App page opening. So we're going to click on Edit Page Layout here. Then we'll locate the input component on the left-hand toolbar. We're going to drag this input component and place it into the first name container. You'll see that the first name is shaded purple, so we know we're placing our input component in the proper container here. Then when we release the component into the container, the page component window opens on the right-hand side of the screen. And here we're going to enter the text first name in the name and label text boxes. And then we're going to tick the box for required. And then we can click on the select or create a new value button. And we're going to click on create a new value. If you'll take notice here, you can see some of the system values that come with your BoomiFlow account. We're going to click on create a new value. And then we're going to enter first name in the name text box here. We'll leave this as the kind of value as a string, and we're just going to click on save. So we have our first name string value shown here for save the selection made by the user to. And then we're going to click on save component. And we can see our input component here. We're going to click on the disk icon to save our changes to the page layout. Then next we're going to find another input component, and we're going to place this into our last name container. And we're going to enter the text last name for the name and label text boxes. And again, tick the box for required. And then clicking on the select or create a new value button. We're going to create a new value again. Here you can see that our first name value that we created is now shown here. And we're going to enter last name in the name text box. And then we're going to click on save. Then we can click on save component. And we can click on the disk icon to save. Then we just want to click on the BoomiFlow Employee App tab here at the top of the screen to return to our flow canvas. We're going to click on save page. And then we're going to click on the publish icon. And then in the publish flow window, we're going to enter the text BoomiFlow page element first / last name added, and then click on the green publish button. Now our flow's been published successfully. We can click on run, and again we see our app opening in a new browser tab. We can click on the let's get started button, and now we can see that we have our input components on our page layout. And I'm just going to type my name in here to show that they're working properly. So you can see that I've entered my name. So the input components are working properly. We can just close this tab to return to the publish flow window and our BoomiFlow canvas. And we can close this window. And that brings us to the end of Activity 5. Now please take approximately 10 minutes to complete Activity 5 using pages 43 through 47 in your activity guide.